重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we're going to play you music from Huang Yujuan with her first original album titled Bong Sam Moi, which tells stories of her life. And this song in particular, titled Thrifty, or in Hakka, Zoga, describes her mother's dedication to their family. How from early morning, mom would start cooking meals and then continue with various chores, always putting the family before herself. Let's take a listen to Zoga.
就算很不这里走开你在岸上吗暴风落雨nghiệp theo nhát có lo 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 nhị nhỏ vội khỏi nghĩ cái nhìn sẽ yêu kết tròn nghĩ cái khoai lo yêu kết đầu cho cả cái nghĩ yêu chung cùng một ya sẽ nhìn khuyên khuyên kham kham ya sang si sang miao ngon ngon thế thế chưa ai ngờ gọi sẽ nghĩ nhẹ nhàng theo thiên dịu dàng ăn buồn giờ đi thở cay nghĩ sẽ ăn sáng mà bao phong lo ghi nghe theo nhát có lo 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 lo你要vội khỏi
这首歌呢是由黄玉娟所带来的周嘎作家，在描述呢她母亲为了家庭从早上就开始忙碌，料理一日三餐之后呢，又要回头继续忙碌着大小事情，所以家庭对于妈妈而言呢是比自己更重要的一个存在。这是来自黄玉娟展现她人生故事的专辑《Bong Sam Moi》的作品，希望你们喜欢。Well, next time you do some house chores, perhaps you can play this song called Zoga by Huang Yujuan and enjoy your time. Thank you so much for listening to another Hakka song. My name is Joseph Lin, and I'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.